Hi and welcome back to the final morning report chart of Thursday the 16th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. The final chart we're going to look at today is gold. Now, gold is always considered to be a function of the dollar, negative correlation there, so we need to be watching out for the US CPI figure at 1:30 GMT, which could certainly have a big impact on the dollar and subsequently on the gold chart. So that could be happening this afternoon. But if we look very quickly at the technicals, the gold chart continues to fall in this downtrend here on the daily chart. You've also got the resistance of that 55-day moving average, which currently comes in around about $1,244. So the pressure is to the downside, and certainly if we zoom in a little bit more, you can see that that is certainly beginning to be the case in the last few days. You've still got the stochastic sell signal on the daily chart, and the RSI, which peaked once more around about 60, is rolling over. So suggests that the daily technicals on that rally that we'd seen since the beginning of January may be running out of steam. And certainly we're looking at on an intraday basis, you can see even more that you've got this breakdown below that $1,243 mark. You had a rally yesterday that actually found resistance pretty much bang on that, and you also see this 55 hour, this is an hourly chart, so it's 55-hour moving average, which seems to be a fairly decent basis, and that has now once again acted as resistance. So the pressure is building once more to the downside. You've got these momentum indicators. That MACD is in bearish configuration. You've got the stochastics, which are corrective now, and also the RSI, which certainly has more downside potential on this hourly chart. And I think I'd be looking at using any sort of recovery today as a chance to sell, because I think this we're going to see a retest of that 1,234 dollar level of the low yesterday, and then should that break, that then reopens the 1,228.69, and then below that comes in at 223 spot 51. So I'd be using any sort of bounce today in the gold price as a chance to sell, as I think the downside pressure is growing once more on gold, and I think further downside will be seen. So thank you very much for listening to me today. There are the other charts, if you haven't checked them out, they are on the morning report page on our website for the other majors. Thank you for listening, and I will speak to you tomorrow.